I'm Russell from the Family Tent Shop, and here we are looking at a brand new tent from Outdoor Revolution for 2020. This is the Airedale 7 SE. So the Airedale 7 was made in 2019 and was an incredibly popular model, sold out sort of quite early in the season. They have obviously upgraded it for 2020, so very similar sort of layout in terms of you've got a nice big front porch area on the tent, which comes with an integral sort of ground sheet in that space, which is a bathtub ground sheet, so it sort of toggles in and will fit into this porch area. Then you've got the sewn in ground sheet, sort of nice big living space in the center of the tent, and then you've got the 3 bedrooms at the back. Materials of a 180 denier fabric, and the waterproofing, size of the air tubes, the sort of cable entry points, facility to sort of fit on the downlighters, zipped privacy curtains, mosquito netting on the side doors. All of those sort of features remain the same on this tent as they were in 2019, as I say, with the Airedale 7. What has changed is that there was a side sort of wardrobe stroke toilet area on the 2019 model, which was actually on the other side, which was sort of much smaller. Now there's this much bigger sort of side pod that is connected to the tent, so it's all integral with the tent. We'll go inside and have a closer look at that. So it's all sort of sewn in to the main sort of body of the tent, as you can see, like so. And then this is showing it with the inner tent in there, which can toggle in. Equally, if you didn't have that in, then there is another sort of side door there, and there is a wardrobe pile in that space, so it just gives you a much bigger sort of almost like a walk-in wardrobe, or as you can see it here, with the extra bedroom in there, if you did have teenagers or guests that wanted their own room, then you've got that facility to do it. As I say, the tent itself already has 3 decent sized bedrooms across the back. The bedroom on the left and the bedroom on the right are both sort of smaller bedrooms, and then the one in the middle is almost essentially like the master bedroom, which is much bigger. So really plenty of space there for any kind of double sort of airbed or self-inflating mat or camp bed, and plenty of room for either, for both people to be able to get out on either side. Bedrooms, you've got nice big storage pockets on the front there, which is really handy, and then they've got little pockets in each side of the bedrooms as well, for storing bits and pieces like mobile phones and keys, etc. You've got nice ventilation at the back of the tent, so a decent amount of airflow getting through the tent, and as I said earlier, you've obviously got the mosquito netting on the side doors as well, so you can get that airflow coming in. Great big mesh panel as well on the internal door, so this is a really decent feature about this particular tent, certainly compared to the Airedale 8, which is another one of the tents in their range, because the 2 tents are sort of similar in size. Obviously this one has got the mosquito netting and it's got the side pod, which that particular tent doesn't have. You've got ventilation at the top there as well, so even if you do shut that door, because it has got a full door as well, so at night time, maybe when you shut that door, you can still get some airflow coming into the tent if it is a warmer evening. Front panel of the porch area, as you can see, you can zip all the way back, and can zip sort of right the way, sort of right the way to one side, so you can have that fully open if you wished. Equally, you could have it 1/3 open, as you can see now, or indeed sort of 2/3 open, so you can get whatever amount of airflow and openness to the tent as you wish. Side windows in the porch area, I've got a top part of them which can open up again with mosquito netting, so again getting that airflow in there, but they've all got privacy. You've got privacy curtains on those side parts of the porch area, and on the front of it, so you can even close off the porch area windows completely as well for at night time. So as I say, this is the Airedale 7 SE, a brand new tent for 2020, and I'm Russell from the Family Tent Shop.